Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is Python connectivity with MySQL. That is the most important part of our syllabus. First of all, we have to open command prompt. For opening command prompt, we have to write CMD. Then the point to be noticed that we have to open it as run as administrator. It is mandatory part. We have to open command prompt as run as administrator. After this, we have to come to the C prompt, cd backslash. It will give us C drive. Then we have to check either the Python is working properly or not. For checking, we have to type Python. Then we will press enter. It will open Python. Now, if that 3 greater than sign, that is a Python prompt, will appear, that means it is properly working. Now, for coming out from Python prompt, we will press Ctrl plus Z, then press enter. Again, it will appear C prompt. Then after that, we have to install MySQL connector. For installing MySQL connector, we have to type Python minus M space pip pip install MySQL hyphen connector. Then we will press enter. It will install MySQL connector. Actually, it is a library or a package we have to install for connecting Python with MySQL. Through this library, we can connect Python with MySQL. Actually, it is already installed in the system. So it is giving you are using pip version this. However, version this is available. You should consider upgrading via Python minus m pip install hyphen upgrade. Means it is already installed in my system. Then we will come out from Python prompt, command prompt, exit.